Hey everyone, I'm Sudeep. In this video, we are going to talk about delete many operation in MongoDB. This method is used to remove the multiple documents at once based on the specified condition. Delete many command deletes all the documents that matches the given condition. If no document matches, nothing is deleted and it won't throw an error. Double check your query filter before running this query to avoid deleting the unintended documents. Use find with the same filter to preview the which documents will be deleted. Once the documents are deleted, they cannot be retrieved. Let's see the query for using the delete many. If you want to delete all the students who haven't graduated, first we have a property called isGraduated. It is a boolean. It will be true or false. If it is true, the students are graduated. So in order to delete that, first we have to find the documents who all are not graduated. For that we will be using the find command, and inside that you pass the same condition, that is graduated should be false, and then use the delete command db.students.deleteMany and pass that condition is graduated equal to false. So this will delete all the students records who are not graduated. First run the query db.students.find, inside that pass the condition. In the result you can see these are some student records who are not graduated. We will be deleting these documents. Let's run the query db.students.deleteMany, and inside that pass the condition is graduated equal to false. Press enter. Here you can see 6 documents are deleted. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel.